Okay, folks, here are my predictions for your upcoming Paper 1, your non-calculator exam. Okay, you obviously have your OCR, then obviously Paper 2 and Paper 5, okay, for your non-calc exam. So, revise index laws, so your laws of indices. So when you multiply with the same base, you add the powers. When you divide with the same base, you subtract the powers. When it's a power of a power, you multiply the powers. Okay, powers of 0 is 1. Negative powers or negative indices makes it 1 over. Or in case of a fraction, it flips it, so it does a reciprocal. So that is a very hot topic here. I'll let the come up. Okay, solving equations. So solving linear equations, quadratic equations. Okay, by factorizing. Okay, or if you're higher T, obviously completing the square. Okay, or writing it in that third form. Okay, if it's a non-calc exam. Okay, yeah, working with fractions, so adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing fractions. Okay, working with decimals, again, operations with decimals, adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing decimals, especially for Edexcel, I think, because that's quite a common question. Writing numbers as probably prime factors, so knowing your prime numbers, highest common factor, lowest common multiple. What else, guys? Yeah, obviously, there's quite a few obviously topics here. I'd say, yeah, sketching a quadratic, okay, yeah, there's quite a few. Obviously, yeah, I'm doing it here like early morning, so I apologise if I'm going a bit blank. I'm just thinking, yeah, as we're speaking. Yeah, so there's that. Obviously, remember your exact trig values. So again, go and watch my video on like the hand method, okay? Or there's a really good video on TGMT here, so the Just Maths tutor. Check out, yeah, his most recent video on how to use, yeah, the exact trig values. You obviously way to remember it. Okay, there are obviously other ways here. There's a way where you form like a triangle 2 by 2 by 2. And obviously cut it in half, so you have like a right angle triangle, 1, 2, and then root 3. Oh, sorry, 2, 1, and root 3, yeah. Okay, think about your hypotenuse, okay. Yeah, so knowing that, expanding single and double brackets, factorizing quadratics, algebraic fractions, okay, for higher T, I want to say. What else? Potentially looking obviously some circle theorems, vectors as well, okay, although that might come up here on paper 2, paper 3, but obviously could come up here obviously paper 1. Your rules of surds, so working with surds, leaving your answer in exact form, so in terms of pi as a surd, okay, etc., etc. So remember, yeah, a surd is the square root of a non-square number. So the square root of 2, the square root of 3, the square root of 5, okay? And obviously extending into cube roots, you have non-cube numbers, okay? But GC and A-level, yeah, we obviously focus on that. What else, guys? Yeah, there's quite a few, I think, topics here. So they are my main few here. So revise those topics. Obviously, if you're looking at, yeah, like graph work, so plotting bar charts, obviously, yeah, collecting data, so obviously revise that, yeah, obviously revise your mean, median, mode, and range, okay, and your integral quartile range, yeah, if you're obviously looking at commuted frequency. Remember, when it's CF, yeah, so commuted frequency, obviously, remember to obviously add up, yeah, the numbers as you go along in the grouped interval group data. Obviously, look at histograms, yeah, obviously paper 1 higher tier for Edexcel, and also AQA, yeah, prediction. Okay, just to be clear, guys, here, these are like a prediction topic here. It doesn't mean it's definitely going to come up, but these are topics there that I would obviously list. Yeah, it's highlighted to come up. Okay, I'll try and put it on the screen here. It's like writing as I'm obviously doing the video. Okay, or you might see it at the end. But yeah, these are topics here that I think are likely to appear. Obviously, guys, yeah, obviously, best of luck here. Keep working hard. Keep smashing those past papers. If you've got any specific topic requests or questions that you want me to do a video on, okay, let me know in this comment section below. Okay, ask me any questions. Okay, I'll try my best here to obviously cover like as much as I can here, because I promised to do a video on like the whole of the foundation course here. I haven't even had a chance yet to even record it, so I apologise for that. And if I have time, I may make my own prediction paper potentially. Again, no promise here, no promises guaranteed. Okay, for the foundation term, maybe for yeah, higher as well. Okay, for the AQA, yeah, and I think OCR, I think, yeah, exam boards, and also Edexcel. But yeah, let me know, yeah, if you're interested in that. Yeah, I'll be happy to see make one. Obviously, I'm gonna be careful because obviously when I say prediction, this is not gonna come up for certain. But yeah, these are what I call my practice papers. Case I want to obviously avoid using actually the word prediction, but these are what I think are likely to come up in the exam in terms of topics. But yeah, keep working hard, keep doing past papers. Please check out obviously first class maths, Hannah Kettle Maths, Kobe Maths, okay, my GCSE Maths, obviously TGMT, so the GCSE Maths tutor. They are the main ones, obviously for revision. Particularly, I think first class maths has got some amazing practice papers. Okay, obviously completely free, but and so has Hannah Kettle Maths. So check them out, guys. And if you want any specific questions or any queries like that, guys, let me know. I'll be happy to obviously help you. But other than that, guys, best of luck here. And obviously, revise the topics that I mentioned. So index laws, algebra, okay, shape and space and measure, numbers, okay, and statistics. Okay, if I can say it properly, I apologize. Okay, I can never say that word actually properly. So I just say stats. Okay, or it's statistics if I can say it slowly. But yeah, hopefully that's been useful, guys. Let me know, guys, if you've got any last minute questions, any worries, any queries. Best of luck, keep working hard, keep looking after your mind, guys. So keep, obviously, give yourself the breaks. But other than that, guys, I shall see you inside the next video, okay? All the best. And let me know, let me know if you're interested in me making, like a free, like online prediction paper. Gotta be careful in how I actually phrase it, because I don't want to get like trolled for these comments, okay, or get any sort of abuse. I don't want that in my comments. Not that I would, I'm just saying, so hopefully, let me know. And if I get a chance, I'll try my very, very best to cover as much as I can, between now and obviously May the 13th. So now we've got what? I think we've got bang on, 2 weeks today, obviously the day before paper one. So I'll try and put out as much content as I can, okay, particularly for the foundation tier and also higher tier as well, okay. But let me know, guys, topic request, okay, and I shall see you all very soon, okay. Bye for now, take care, all the best, and have a great day, okay. Bye for now, okay. It's officially like light time in the day now, okay. But I shall see you very soon, okay. It's actually early morning, so that's why I'm actually pretty tired. It's like, I think it's like 5 a.m. now, so obviously it looks like it's like 2 p.m. So if you're watching at 2 p.m, guys, then you should be at school. But obviously you'll probably watch it late in the day. But I'll see you very soon, okay. Bye for now.